Okay. Hello. No, get out. That's what I'm saying. Hello. No. I'm not on Steam. I'm not on Steam. I'm on mobile. Let's play. Let's play this again because my file was not found and I started crying. Oh, here's this girl. Wait, why is she so scared to see me? Okay, let's just skip all these dialogues. Skip these. Skip. Okay, this girl right here, we can type something on this keypad, and we could type something in a cup, and she would drink it. Okay, someone's in the background. Let's start with something basic. Cup of, hey, you're not in this. You're not in this. You're not in this. You're not allowed. You're not allowed in my videos. Cup of water. Okay. Let's make her drink it. Okay. Stop touching your face like that. Now, cup of coffee. Cup of coffee. Yeah, that's what this game is called. That's what this game is called. It's called Anomalous Coffee Machine. What? What? You don't like you don't like coffee? Okay, now let's get a cup of pee. So funny. Okay. Someone's in the background. I just can't tell you who it is because she doesn't want to be in my videos. She was mentioned in Pub Playtime Madness Part. She was seen in Pub Playtime Madness Part 4, Final Freddy's Trinity Part 1, and she was mentioned in the Sprunky video. Okay, P. Okay. What? You don't like pee? I'm going to kill you!